Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and your environment. First, unplug any external audio and disable Bluetooth on nearby phones so interference won't confuse the reset. Once done, identify the correct Google Nest Mini by checking the LED behavior and its physical location. You don't want to reset the wrong speaker. Make sure your phone and Wi-Fi password are handy because a factory reset removes your Google account and network settings. You'll need them to set up again. Now perform the factory reset step by step. If your model has a small reset button in the base, press and hold it. On newer Nest Minis, press and hold the center of the top for about 10 seconds. You'll hear a warning or confirmation tone. Keep holding until the device confirms reset and the LEDs start flashing. After you release, the Mini will reboot and systematically erase local settings. This is why removing account links and Wi-Fi is necessary before you set it up again. Finish by reconfiguring the Nest Mini in the Google Home app. Open the app, tap Add Device, and follow the prompts to pair and reconnect to Wi-Fi. You'll sign back into your Google account and restore preferences. If pairing fails, make sure your router and phone are restarted. Then try pairing again right away because the device advertises briefly. If problems persist, perform the factory reset one more time or try using a different Google account to isolate account-related issues before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.